Benefits of Thymus. Thymus serpyllum, commonly known as wild thyme or creeping thyme, is a small, aromatic herb that has been used for its medicinal properties for centuries. Respiratory health. Thymus serpyllum has been traditionally used to treat respiratory ailments, including coughs, colds, and bronchitis. It contains compounds that have antitussive and expectorant properties, which can help to soothe coughs and promote the expulsion of mucus from the lungs. Digestive health. Thymus serpyllum has been used to treat various digestive disorders, including indigestion, bloating, and flatulence. It contains compounds that stimulate the production of digestive enzymes and increase the movement of food through the digestive tract, which can help to relieve symptoms of digestive discomfort. Anti-inflammatory properties. Thymus serpyllum contains compounds with anti-inflammatory properties, which can help to reduce inflammation in the body. This may be particularly beneficial for conditions such as arthritis, where inflammation plays a key role in the development of symptoms. Antioxidant properties. Thymus serpyllum contains compounds that have antioxidant properties, which can help to protect the body against damage from free radicals. Free radicals are unstable molecules that can cause cellular damage and contribute to the development of various diseases. Antibacterial properties. Thymus serpyllum contains compounds that have antibacterial properties, which can help to kill harmful bacteria in the body. This may be particularly beneficial for treating bacterial infections, such as those that cause urinary tract infections.